Hello, this is a video about the study of wettability and surface roughness on plants within the Atomic Force Microscopy graduate course at WPI. First, some definitions. Wetting is the ability of a liquid to maintain contact with a solid surface and is determined by the adhesive and cohesive forces. Roughness is a component of the texture of the surface and is determined by how the direction of the vector normal to the surface changes. In this project, we did AFM imaging and wettability measurements on 3 plant samples: the petal of the rose and the leaves of the Nephthytis and the bromeliad. The contact angle is the angle at which the liquid-vapor interface meets the solid-liquid interface. It provides an inverse measure of wettability, 0 degrees being perfect wetting and 180 degrees being perfectly not wetting. We can also say that when the surface has perfect wetting, it behaves as hydrophilic, and when it doesn't wet, it behaves as hydrophobic. In reality, surfaces are rough and heterogeneous. Contact angle hysteresis gives an idea of how non-ideal is a surface. It is basically defined as the difference between the advancing angle, which is the maximum angle when adding volume to the droplet, and the receding angle, which is the minimal angle when reducing that volume. The pictures show the contact angle measurement setup used in this experiment to measure both the static contact angles and the hysteresis. The AFM images were acquired with the NaioAFM at WPI using a weak cantilever at a medium speed and taking 60 micron size images. The gain in the feedback loop had to be properly adjusted to optimize the data. We can see that the 3 samples present very different topography. Contact angle images show that the rose petal behaves as a hydrophobic surface as found in the literature. The bromeliad has very high wettability and the Nephthytis is somewhere in the middle. If we compare these observations to the AFM data, it seems that the height of the features play an important role in this behavior. These are the quantitative results of contact angle measurements. We found the rose to have the lowest hysteresis and the Nephthytis to have the highest one. As a conclusion, we found a correlation between the height of the features of the surfaces and its wettability. The higher the features, the greater the static contact angle. On the other hand, contact angle hysteresis measures how adhesive a surface is. In this case, all 3 samples proved to have adhesive properties, but due to impurities and possible contamination of the surfaces, no difference in the roughness between the samples can be concluded from the wettability information. For that reason, it is necessary to study the topography of the surfaces with an imaging technique such as atomic force microscopy.